Okay, so today we are going to take a look at sub-Saharan African culture. So please write at the top of your page WG 10.9. I have two great things to tell you. One, it's a short lesson, and two, it's your last lesson. After this, we're going to do a test, but we're going to do the test together, so don't worry about that. But you're done after this and the test, and I think you should do the test today with me because then you're done for the year with this. We only have fun things to go once we get all of our work out of the way for the year. So let's get right to business so we can make it quick. First thing we're going to look at is the population of the sub-Saharan Africa. So it is made up of many different ethnic groups. Question number 1. How many groups is it made up of? Many. So the answer is many. Question number 2. What do these ethnic groups have of their own? What do these ethnic groups have of their own? Now this is a big answer. They have languages, they have religious beliefs, and they have customs. So those are the three things that they have of their own. I'm going to try to make it a little bigger for you there. And you can see languages, religious beliefs, and customs. That's number 2. Number 3. Ooh, shucks. Let's take a look at language now. How many languages are spoken in sub-Saharan Africa? The answer is thousands. Number 3, the answer is thousands. There are thousands of languages spoken in sub-Saharan Africa. Oh, I feel like I'm yelling. I'm sorry. I must just be excited to get the lesson done. Okay, so let's go on to number 4. Number 4. The languages that are indigenous to the region can be placed into how many groups? How many groups can languages be placed into? And the answer is 4 groups. Okay, very good. 4 groups. Let's look at 5. What word comes from the word Nile? What word comes from the word Nile in the Nilo-Saharan languages? And the answer is Nilo. So that would be Nilo. Now let me go back and make sure we're on the right track here for our answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question number 6. What languages include Arabic and Amharic? What languages include Arabic and Amharic? And the answer is Afro-Asiatic languages. So write down, please, for number 6, Afro-Asiatic languages. Number 7. What group is the smallest group? What is the smallest group speaks what language? Number 7, Khoisan. 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 Now I think we should be, let's see, there's 4, 5, 6, 7. Moving on to question number 8. Number 8, what 2 languages are also spoken in sub-Saharan Africa that are not African languages? 2 languages are spoken that are not native of the area, and they are Malagasy, and Malagasy is from Madagascar, and Indo-European. So let me spell Malagasy for you. M-A-L-A-G-A-S-Y. So Indo-European and Malagasy, and again that's M, capital M, A-L-A-G-A-S-Y. Okay, moving right along here. Let's see where we are. We've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both of those go together for number 8. And so here is 9. What religion is believed to have been accepted in the 1st century AD? And the answer is Christianity. So there are 2 religions. So there's 2 parts to this number 9. First being Christianity, and the second part to it is Islam. So what are the 2 major religions? Christianity and Islam. Please write them both down for number 9, Christianity and Islam. Now we're going to go on to number 10. And we are going to take a look at what are the 2 most well-known forms of art in Africa. The two most well-known forms of art include sculpture and music. Sculpture and music. And for the next question, write down the next question's answer. These forms of art have creative roots from where? Religious rituals. So the next answer is religious rituals. Now let's go back and see what we have here. We'll go all the way back to 4. 4 was number 4. 5 is Nilo. 6 is Afro-Asiatic languages. 7 is cohesion. 8 is Indo-European and Malaysia. 9 is Christianity and Islam. 10 is sculpture and music. 11 is religious rituals. 12, what is something that has influenced far into America and other Western cultures? Number 12, traditional African music. You guys may not even realize it, but some of the most famous traditional African music has been presented to us in the U.S. as the blues. It's called the blues. So there's the blues, there's jazz, bluegrass, rhythm and blues, rock music, all that spun off of original traditional African music. So anyway, your next answer would be the blues. And I think the blues actually is your last. Oh no, we have a little bit more to go here. Let's go back through our list again one more time. We've got 4 for 4. We've got Nilo for 5. We've got Afro-Asiatic for 6. Cohesion for 7. Indo-European and Malaysia for 8. Christianity and Islam for 9. Sculpture and music for 10. Religious rituals for 11. Traditional African music for 12. The blues for 13. Okay, I'm going to reduce this here. This is what they want you to know, that in traditional African families, there are specific roles. But let's just say, go ahead and write down specific roles. And then for your last answer, what 2 things are still practiced in Africa? Polygamy is practiced. That's where they have a lot of wives. And arranged marriages are still practiced. So write down polygamy and arranged marriages for your last answer. Specific roles is your second to last answer. Polygamy and arranged marriages is your last answer. And congratulations to you. You just finished the final lesson of world geography. We just have to do a quick test. And you're finished. Yeah, that's great. Take a picture and send it to me. I'm so excited. And let's get started on the test right away. If you finish the test today, then you are done with world geography for the year. All right, and it'll be even easier than this. Bye.